Cybersecurity is a rapidly evolving field, and the most prominent experts are ones pushing the boundaries to protect us from online threats. So let's take a look at some of the top cybersecurity experts in the world. Kevin Mitnick is one of the most famous names in cybersecurity, one of the world's most wanted hackers. He is now a renowned security consultant, helping organizations protect themselves from cyber threats. Bruce Schneier, okay, I'll put their names in the description. Well-known cryptographer and cybersecurity expert. He has written numerous books on cybersecurity. Strong advocate for better security practices and private rights. There's also Mikko Hyppönen, which is a Finnish cybersecurity expert and the chief research officer at F-Secure. He is well known for his work in combating malware and his insightful talks on internet security. Brian Krebs is a journalist who specializes in cybersecurity. He runs the blog Krebs on Security, which covers the latest in hacking and data breaches. Lastly, Eugene Kaspersky. He is the CEO of Kaspersky Lab and a global cybersecurity company. He's been at the forefront of the fight against cybercrime for years. So these experts have helped shape the cybersecurity landscape and continue to protect the world from online threats. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.